London here. I support the Dusty Hat. So please, like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. How's that? Did I do good? Do I still get paid?
Alright, so we have
40%
those.
off, I'm feeling alive.
No.
Hobby Lobby's got the deal to survive.
So I don't have a 17.
Tasty truck, shiny car, stacked so high, gonna grab that Mustang and a Peterbilt ride. Oh, it's plastic dreams on sale, my friend. Every few weeks it comes round again. Building my world with glue and paint. Stock it up now, no time to wait. Hey!
Not the Nova. Ooh,
Shelf so full, it's a model parade. From a 57 Chevy to a Firebird's fade. I'm digging through boxes, can't pick just one. My carts overflow and the race has begun. Glue in my hand, pain in my soul. Piece by piece, I'm making them whole. Plastic dreams on
have
sale, my friend. Every few weeks it
those.
comes round again. Building my world with glue and paint. Stocking up now, no time to wait.
do I have a 17?
I'll build them tall, I'll build them right. Under my lamp in the soft porch light. Dreaming of engines, chrome so bright. Hobby Lobby's
we
my
got.
Saturday night.
We have this four truck now. This Chevy truck. No. This Chevy truck. No.
Rows of boxes,
Well, I'm doing some
stacked so
models this
high.
winter. No, and
Fords and Chevys, they
no,
catch my eye.
no,
A quiet aisle,
no.
no need to rush.
That Chevelle.
Just me and a sail in the evening hush. Plastic dreams,
No.
4 wheels
Stuff's
at a
getting old.
time. 40% off,
Halloween decorating.
feels mighty fine.
Hey, come on. Fill it.
Every few weeks,
No.
it comes back
Valentella,
around.
no. Mustang, no.
Hobby Lobby's where treasures are found.
70.
A 57 Chevy, candy red and bright.
No, I think we're good. Okay, reason
Or a
being.
Peterbilt shining in the light. Smell of glue, click of parts. Building these models, it's where I
Is it
start.
40% off?
A little patience,
Hobby Lobby is overloaded with
steady
Christmas.
hand, a tiny world I can command. Plastic dreams, 4 wheels at a time. 40% off, feels mighty fine.
But this is the last day of the sale, but they will have another one in a couple weeks. So
Comes back around.
kind of have to the way they're
Hobby
overpriced.
Lobby's where treasures are found.
So hopefully they get some more Rudolphs in.
In a
We
small
saw one kid with the
town
Rudolph,
shop,
but
my mind
wait,
runs
he got the last one.
creating
Talking, singing
highways
Rudolph.
only I can see.
Light up nose.
Each piece I
I got
place,
no more.
a story unfolds of chrome.